Hi there, are you looking for a high-quality, customized website that can help you establish a strong online presence and grow your brand? Look no further than Dotdesh. As a business owner, you know how important it is to have a website that stands out and engages your customers. But designing a website from scratch can be time-consuming and overwhelming, especially if you don't have the technical skills or design expertise. That's where Dotdesh comes in. Our team of expert designers and developers specializes in creating customized, user-friendly websites for businesses of all sizes. We work closely with you to understand your unique needs and goals, and then create a website that exceeds your expectations and helps you grow your business. With Dotdesh, you can expect high-quality results, exceptional customer service, and competitive pricing. Plus, our team is committed to delivering your website on time and on budget, so you can start reaping the benefits of a strong online presence as soon as possible. So, what are you waiting for? Contact Dotdesh today to learn more about how we can help you take your business to the next level with a customized, high-quality website.